Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is currently getting closer and closer here to the low that we made on the 9th of November. So yeah, it's continuing to suffer. There is no guarantee that we've already bottomed. In fact, I think we will make one more low as indicated here in red in a wave 5 down. But the problem that we at the moment have is that the pullback from the high, which was made on the 10th, on Thursday here from 1891, this pullback looks corrective. There's a lot of overlaps, especially if we look on the lower time frames. So this does not necessarily suggest that we come down straight away and break this support, but overall the trend is down, and my primary expectation, we are heading further down. But the move up was corrective in 3 waves. It looks a little bit like ADA. The move down was corrective, so I come to the conclusion that this should really be a WXY wave pattern, where we might move a bit higher here in the 4th wave. But also we're coming really now close to key support, because we have hit the wave B low down here at around 1340. So the thing is, if we really break below that level, then I think we're going to get down and retest the 1240 level. That is the low from the 9th of November, and then most likely gonna break it. The point is that we've now dropped substantially below the 1376 level. That is below the 78.6% FIB level. That is not a sign of strength, it's in fact a sign of weakness. We did not hold this. Next support would be $13.12. That's sort of really the last exit here for the bulls, and if they miss that, then we're gonna retest here the 1240 level and most likely break it, because double bottoms often don't work out. They can do, but they often don't work out, because pulling back 100%, right, or retracing 100% is not a sign of strength. So if we move up from here, and we should really do it now. If we don't do it now, then we're going to come down and make lower lows. So there is really this short-term upside potential, but at the moment we don't really see the evidence yet. However, we have obviously made new lows here, but we see a bullish divergence on the 1 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, you also, now do we have a bullish divergence here? And we don't really see that here on the 4 hour, but on the 1 hour you do see it. And the point really I try to make here is that we are at a key decision point, we're at a pivot point, inflection point, and it really needs to move up from here. So there's a long trade opportunity. I'm not telling you to do it, and I personally won't do it. It is high risk, especially with Solana at the moment. We don't really know that, the contagion is still spreading. There's so much we don't know yet about FTX and Solana and the ties and everything. But it really needs to move up now, or it will go down straight away. That's sort of, I'm convinced about that. Yeah, ideally this is just a WXY, and then in the Y wave I can give you a target as well, based on the assumption that we have now bottomed there, or maybe come down a little bit lower, but the key target the first target would be the 1-to-1 ratio. That's at 1951, and the second target, if we break above that, would be 2346. Really only if we get above that level I would consider something more bullish. And if I draw it a different way, like Fibonacci retracements from the low, then it is the level of $25.70 roughly that we should not break. If we break that level, then I have to consider something more bullish and would assume that a low has been made. Until we really get above that level, I have to focus further on the downside. There's a couple ways how we could get there really, or a few ways, but the point is that with Solana I'd be extremely careful at the moment. Of course you can be lucky, but there's just so much we don't know, and there's better charts out there. And for me the trend is still down, and we have key support at around $10 and $5, but that's it. And if we go below $5, then we get, I think, deep into trouble here with Solana. Okay, and that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.